So hello guys, how are you? I hope you all are fine. In today's video I'll tell you that how can you earn money by just sitting at your home. So guys, let's start today's video guys. First of all, you have to create an account on website guys, which this is our website, and you have to create here an account. For creating account on this website, you have to go in the description of this video. There you will be find a link of this website, and you can, if you click on that link, you will be transferred to this website guys, which name is trx.lol. And here you have to create account. For creating account, you have to enter mobile number, login password, security password, and this sign up option. Okay guys, so let's fill this all details. So guys, here you can check that the account is created. You can check a lot of feature guys, but I'll explain all of this feature one by one. So guys, let's start with this VIP option guys. Deposit and withdrawal I'll explain you later. If you click on this VIP option guys, you can check base and rebate. By base and rebate, you can check guys in by. First of all, I'll explain you base option guys. If you can here check level and VIP level, deposit quantity, income, daily, withdrawal with percentages and their level. And if you click on this rebate, you can check your levels and invite rebate, deposit rate in percentages, and trading rebate is also percentage. You can also upgrade this by clicking on this by recharging this. Okay guys, and if you click on this team option, you can check the status and the level of your team guys. For example, what is going in your team, how many recharges and withdrawal have completed yet. And if you click on this app option, you can easily install the APK variant of this website guys. And if you click on this about us section, here you can check about the company by clicking on this option guys. Wallet account you can also see here, and promotion account is 0. If you want to become a Tron millionaire guys, you can easily become Tron millionaire by gathering detail from here. Here you can check that the cloud mining is working on 7%. And if you go down guys, you can check accumulated profit, which is very good, and membership is also very good. You can here check guys, TRX Tron cloud mining now available. TRX 7-day daily rate 2%, cycle 7 days. And you can check starting amount 200 TRX, maximum is 500 TRX, daily income 10 TRX, and 22.17% you can check. If you want to participate in this investment, you can easily do by checking this option guy by entering your promotion account and security password. And available quantity, you can check daily interest, cycle, max, setting amount, everything you can check here. And if you go down, you can check the global partner of this company, which are Vesirex, Coindesk, OKX, Bitmain, Binance, and Huobi. And if you click on this guys trading option, you can wait guys, this is loading. Here you can check guys, cloud mining is working on 7% and with 24-hour settlement. If you click on this mid section guys, you can check here a lot of product list guys. First one I had already explained you, and now it's done for second one. Here you can check guys, TRX 60-day plan, get daily rate 6%, cycle 60 days maximum, and starting on you can also check very easily. 90-day cycle you can check guys, starting 500 with maximum you can check, cycle 90 days, daily rate 7%, 180 days plus and 9% daily rate, and starting amount 500, cycle 180. Here you can check the last investment, which is of 360 days, and the daily rate 11%, starting amount 500 TRX, cycle 360 days. And if you click on this share option, you can easily share this website to your friend by just clicking on this copy link option, and you can share this link to your friend. And if your friend will click on that link, you can earn a lot of TRX point and a good income. And if you go down guys, on mine option, you can check logout option. App you can download guys, notification you can check, which are provided by the company. And here you can check wait guys, here you can check guys share option. I had already explained. If you want to change your security password guys, you have to enter your new and confirm that password. Same procedure for normal change password guys. Transfer to basic you can also do by entering the quantity and security password. Profit list you can also check, which means how many transaction you have completed. And you can also check team option guys, you can see level 1 to 3 option. And if you go on deposit option guys, withdrawal you can also check. Now it's done for deposit option. If you want to do deposit, you have to click on this deposit and transfer to basic account. Now you have to guys copy this address and go on this trust wallet guys. So let's open guys trust wallet. Here you can check I had opened the trust wallet. Now I have to enter here the password. I had entered the password. Now I have to make a payment. For making payment, I have to select Tron, and I have to enter here the recipient address. Now I have to enter here the limit and continue on this option. After continue clicking, we have to click on this confirm for final process. Here you can check that the payment is completed. Now it's done for withdrawal. For withdrawal guys, first of all we have to require this withdrawal address, which is also known as receiver address. We have to first of all we have to complete recharge. So guys, recharge completed, we have to click on this recharge completed option. Here you can check that I had completed, and now I have to refresh this website Here you can, there is no need to refresh guys, this website is very smooth. You can check that the balance is increased automatically. And now I have to do withdrawal. For withdrawing I have to enter here the quota limit guys, which is mentioned 0 here, and I have to enter the address which I had copied guys, you can check. And I have to enter here the password. So guys, let's enter the password. Here you can check guys, I had confirmed, and the here you can check guys, this is loading, wait for few seconds. So guys, this is error is coming guys. So guys, you can check now. I have to click on this confirm option, the withdrawal is successful. So guys, this is all about today's video. I have explained you everything. So guys, let's meet in another video guys. Okay guys, take care. Oh sorry guys, there is one last option is remaining guys, of changing this language. You can easily change your language by just clicking on that option guys. Here you can check language option. You can also see, you can check a lot of languages guys, like English, Portuguese, Indonesia, and Distract, and this Francis and Turkish and Espanol, Portuguese, Vietnamese, and a lot of, and Malaysia. You can also check guys, you can change according to your needs. So guys, goodbye guys, take care.